Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your daily energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Gemini, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Gemini, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have Apprentice of Spheres in reverse, Hierophant in reverse, and Five of Moons. So, in your situation, Gemini, it may be in your career or it may be in your relationship, guys. You are someone who has faced a lot. You have a lot of experience in your life, guys, and you are maybe you have your knowledge and wisdom from those experiences, and you believe only yourself today. You do not want to have belief in anyone, maybe trust anyone. You have a particular vision for yourself, and your life, your experiences have taught you so much, and you stand by those ideals, whatever you believe in. And you are someone who does not want to, what to say, uh, you are someone who does anything based on the ideals you have. So you just don't want to say something and do something. You are someone who does anything you stand for and you believe in, and you are not willing to change your ways for anyone, guys. That again may work against you for some of you. So people around you, they may want you to cooperate with them in some ways, maybe listen to them when you're making some choices, but you are someone who stands by your rules and your ideals, guys. And maybe today you need to pay attention to yourself, guys, because maybe there is someone, they are trying to what to say, meddle in your choices or meddle in your activities, control your choices or actions. So someone from your work maybe, or in your relationship, this person may try to speak against you or the person you love. They are trying to involve themselves in your life, maybe when you're making some choices or decisions, and that is going to create a lot of friction between you both, and it may worry you a lot. And for some of you, you may even need to be attentive of your health, guys, because I see that for some of you there is also chances of becoming sick. So you are suffering today some kind of worries because of this person in your life, guys. So this person may be someone close to you, someone important, and they are not understanding you, but they are trying to control your actions or decisions. That is what is creating a lot of problems for you in your situation, guys. And you are simply lost. You feel really confused today because of the way this person is, guys. And Gemini, whenever we have a negative cards in a reading, guys, I would say that these are just cards. We need not worry. So they are showing us, pointing us towards something. Maybe we have the pointers here. Someone is here to meddle in your decisions. So if there is someone like that in your life, you need to try to avoid them, guys. Avoid speaking to them or trying to avoid them is going to help you out of some difficult situations today, guys. Gemini. So you need to stay strong. These are just cards. We need not worry. What we make of our life is in our hands, guys. If you want more clarity, Gemini, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. We have two cards here. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So this is your first card and this is your second card, guys, and I will start with the first card. So let's close our eyes for a few seconds, meditate, and I will start the reading with the first card, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with this card. Let's see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So, for those who chose this card, what is the card? It is Gretel. So, with this card, guys, the energy is that in your life, in your past, maybe for some of you, you have gone through a lot of traumatic situations. Maybe the elders in your family, they have let you down, they were not quite responsible, and their attitude has affected your life. And whatever you have faced, your challenges, or whatever the traumatic situations you have faced in your life in your childhood years, it has simply made you much more stronger and courageous. And your story is an inspiration. You need not feel shy or you need not fear. You are someone who's very courageous and strong under difficult circumstances, and you are someone who helps others, who help people, and you are a true defender of friends and family. So it is time you inspire the younger generation with your stories, with your ideas, or how to deal with the problems they are facing right now in their life. And you need to you work well as a team, guys, maybe in your work or in your life, in your family. You are a great person to be with. You have beautiful communication skills. You are quick thinking, protective, and you are someone who is supportive and very resourceful. So the people around you, they find you a very good person to be with, and your abilities and strategies, you can talk about it to the younger generation, whomever you are in contact with today, guys, because your stories are simply going to inspire them today in their life, and your strength and courage. So you are moving on, you have moved on from your past. Maybe something happened, maybe if it is something to do with your relationship, you have moved on from a traumatic relationship and you have come out as a strong person. And this courage is going to inspire the person you meet now, and they will feel, maybe you will feel that true connection and communication with this person, guys. You need not worry. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we have round and round. So again, a beautiful card here. So this just means that in your situation today, guys, you just feel that you have come back to that same spot again. And how did you get here? You are simply wondering how things are going in the same way again now, and how to deal with this present situation. So you need to understand that you are here in this particular situation with a particular type of a person, because it is the spirit's plan for your evolution, guys. That is the reason you have circled back to this accustomed spot in your life today. So this time around, you will know what you need to do differently, maybe respond differently now or behave differently, because you know from your past experience what was your response and what was that experience and what you have learned from it. So you need to let go of that blame game, remain curious now to learn any new changes or any new experiences that are coming today, and you need to respond differently, so that way you will not come back to the same spot again in your life, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So maybe in your relationship you are having similar problems like the past, maybe like the past experiences. So if you respond differently, you are going to break this cycle today, guys. So that is the energy. So you will be able to find a better person who will be with whom you will be able to connect better and have a beautiful relationship. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. With the two cards we saw such a beautiful reading. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like the reading. If you like, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestion, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.